Dishwasher Installation Kit. This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Warning: tip-over hazard. Do not use dishwasher until completely installed. Do not push down on open door. Doing so can result in serious injury or cuts. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect electrical power at the fuse box or circuit breaker box before installing dishwasher. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Installing power cord to dishwasher. Disconnect power or unplug dishwasher. Remove access panel. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install dishwasher. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Place cardboard or scuff shield underneath the dishwasher to avoid scratching the floor. Gently place the dishwasher on its back. Remove the screw that holds the terminal box to the cross brace. Then, tilt the terminal box, free the tab, and lift the terminal box away from the crossbar. Remove the cover by sliding it up and lifting its hooks out of the slot. Remove the grounding bolt inside the terminal box to release green ground wire. Install metal strain relief in hole of the terminal box. Install the wires of the cord into the terminal box through the metal strain relief. Tighten clamp or connector on power cord using Phillips screwdriver. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Electrically ground dishwasher. Connect ground wire to green ground connector in terminal box. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Place the ring terminal of the green ground wire on the power cord with the green ground wire of the dishwasher over the bolt. Reattach and tighten the green bolt using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Connect the white wire of the power supply cord to the white wire in the terminal box. Connect the black wire of the power supply cord to the black wire in the terminal box. Note: do not pre-twist standard wire. Gently tug on wires to be sure both are secured. Replace the terminal box cover. Route power cord out the rear of the dishwasher. Connecting water line. Turn off the hot water supply using the existing hot water shutoff valve under the sink. Connect water supply connector to water supply. Tighten nut. Important: do not over-tighten. Next, connect the elbow to the dishwasher. Connect the water supply connector to the elbow. Tighten the nut. Important: do not over-tighten. Turn on the hot water supply using the hot water shutoff valve. Carefully check for leaks at all connections. Tighten connections if any leaks are found. Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install dishwasher. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury. Place the dishwasher back into an upright position. Move dishwasher back into position. Replace the access panel. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Plug into a grounded 3-prong outlet. Do not remove ground prong. Do not use an adapter. Do not use an extension cord. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock. Reconnect power and plug in the dishwasher.